understands it insofar as he can. He waives the read, for interpretation.
All right. Have you gotten with the state regarding agreed bond order in this matter?
Your Honor, I talked to Shante last week, and she said she'd look at the file and get back on that. I guess Mr. Smith is handling it now.
Sure.
Good morning. Good morning.
I just learned about this case about 3 days ago, and apparently the Jackson Police Detective presented the case to the grand jury. I need to speak with the detective, the family, as well as the defense attorney, but we certainly don't object to a reasonable line. With my luck, there's another video involved that needs to be reviewed. So, looking at this history, there is a video involved that we need to review, but we certainly do not object to a reasonable line to give us an opportunity to speak with all parties in this case.
Your Honor, can I give you a little bit of history of him? And Mr. Smith, would you mind listening a little bit? Maybe we could come to agreement. Mr. Parish is a co-owner of Performance Oil. He's down there on Gallatin. I believe that's Gallatin Extension by the Henley Youth Center. He's worked at that business for 28 years. I'm sorry, so look at it off the ballot. Been Mississippi resident for 35 years. He was originally born in Louisiana, but he's lived here for the last 35 years. He owns a home in Crystal Springs. He's owned that home for 5 years. His address is 1089 Old Highway 27, Road 1, Crystal Springs. Before that, he lived in Walthall County for 22 years. He has a girlfriend who she's not been able to talk him into marrying her yet, but he's been dating her for 25 years.
Hold on. I want to caution the media. Let's not publicize the defendant's address that was just mentioned.
Thank you, Your Honor. Most of his family lives in Louisiana. He has a son, a daughter, and 12 grandchildren. Some of those are here today. Mr. Jimmy Ratliff, the co-owner of Performance Oil, is here today. His son, Josh Parish's son, is here today. There are a lot of employees of this company. They service gas station, gas pumps, I guess you could say. So, Your Honor, I would ask, or I would suggest to the court that Mr. Smith, a $50,000 bond in this case is reasonable, considering his firm and long contacts with this county, state of Mississippi, wide family. There's just no likelihood that this gentleman would. And I would just suggest that $50,000 is reasonable.
Anything else further on the bond issue?
Yes.
All right. Anything from the state on the bond issue at this time?
The only thing I would say, Your Honor, is that there was a previous mention about a $75,000 bond. Again, Your Honor, between 50 and 75, no objection.
All right. I've written a motion prior to today. Now, court having listened to brief argument, will set bond in this matter. The defendant having been arraigned for this charge, the court will set bond at $50,000. You can prepare the order and submit the order to the court.
Thank you, Your Honor. Oh, Your Honor, Mr. Smith and I approach you.
Will be fine. I know a lot of individuals were here for that matter, so I want to give everybody an opportunity